It is everything after all. I love them. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake. Shake your spices. You have to make this. Hola familia. Fancy meeting you here. Seems like you wanted a snack, or perhaps you wanted to learn how to make this seasoning because it is everything after all. I'm here to teach you how to make the everything but the bagel seasoning. One of the reasons why I wanted to make it is because, one, if you guys know, it is very hard to find sometimes. And then you gotta order it and it's like $8 for a jar this big. No, I paid like less than $8 for all of these ingredients and I could probably make like 5 of these, if not more. And you know what I like about making my own seasoning? Sometimes when I buy everything but the bagel seasoning, it's a little too salty, or it has too much garlic in it, and I love garlic. Crazy, I love garlic. However, sometimes it's a little too strong and I just don't want that. So I decided, let's just make our own, right? This is very, very similar to the Trader Joe's one. The only difference here is that I'm gonna use garlic powder rather than garlic chunks. And that's up to you. You can do garlic powder, you can do garlic chunks, however you want. Here is what you need. You can go to any local international grocery store and you can get yourself some black sesame seeds. They come in a bag. This baggie is like $2. So you can get these. I got regular sesame seeds, black sesame seeds. We got garlic powder, we got minced onions, and we got poppy seeds and salt. Now you're gonna see mine has a little bit more poppy seeds than the typical when you see other recipes, and it's because I love poppy seeds. They are so good. Poppy seed bagels are my favorite. When I make my keto bagels, I love to put poppy seeds on top. I actually don't like everything but the bagel seasoning bagels because they have too much salt. So I've made my own to alter it to make it easier for me. So let's get started. Here's what you're gonna start with. I'm gonna start with poppy seeds because, again, like I said, I love them. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. Again, you can add less if you want. You can spill them everywhere if you want, like I do, because that's how I live my life. All right, so poppy seeds. Then I'm gonna do the minced onions. So again, like I'm gonna draw this out for you guys so that it's nice, but 1 tablespoon of the onion flake or minced onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and then the salt. So the salt, like I said, I like to go a little bit less. So I go with like half a tablespoon, if not a little bit less, of kosher salt, because the way I see it is I can always add more salt, and I really don't like salt with like what I'm eating it with. Typically, if I'm eating it with a snack that I'm gonna show you today, it's got a little bit of salt in it already, so we don't need that in our lives. And then we're gonna do 1.5 tablespoons of sesame seeds, of the regular sesame seeds, and then 1 tablespoon of the black sesame seeds. Ooh, it looks so pretty. All right, so then what do? You take this and you shake, 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 shake your spices. So now you have your own homemade everything but the bagel seasoning, and that's it. It's that easy, literally that easy. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my favorite snack. This is my favorite snack. I'm sure if you've been on keto, if you haven't been on keto, if you're trying to eat healthy, if whatever it is, you have seen this. I know it's all over my TikTok. I've actually even made a TikTok video on it because I love it so much. But essentially, these little peppers, I buy them, and then I slice them in half, and I put cream cheese on them, like this. Basically, just take a piece of cream cheese, put it on them, and then I top it with everything but the bagel seasoning, and I eat it that way. It is so good. It is my favorite snack, and I zhuzh it up a little bit by adding a little bit more, but I do the same thing with cucumbers. It's awesome. Now, here is what I do to make it even better. So I'm gonna put the everything but the bagel seasoning on top, but then I crisp up on a 400-degree oven prosciutto. You can do it with bacon too. And I top the pepper because it adds like a saltiness, but it also adds like a nice crunch. And so I put it on top of my snack, and then, oh well, before I give you this crunch that's gonna be super satisfying, I think you should like, subscribe, and comment, because I think you like to make your own recipes, and let's have fun while we're doing it. So, you ready? If you've been on my channel, you know I dance when the food is good. It really is very good. What I like about this is that I can customize it to me. I can make it whatever I want. If you want more garlic, add more garlic. If you want more onion, add more onion. It's all up to you. You have to make this. Obviously, I'm hungry because I'm gonna eat all of these, but I think you should. Like, subscribe, and comment. Try these peppers and tell me if you like them. Some people hate them. But nevertheless, the everything but the bagel seasoning is amazing. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you next time. Love you. Why are these so good?